Hey, that's mine! Not very smart, are you?
Okay, I'm pretty sure my refrigerator can't talk.
I'm pretty sure I can. Sorry about that. I just get a little...
You're talking!
Good one, genius. You've solved the mystery of the holy crap, is that fridge really talking or am I going insane?
I really haven't decided if this is awesome or not.
Man, you're boring. Can you at least do me a favor? Can you put a cup under my water thingamajiggy? Oh, thanks. That's so much better.
Speak for yourself! Ugh!
Did the cup just talk?
Of course I did! Now pour it out! It's so gross!
Honestly, I don't know what you're talking about. I thought it was pretty good.
Oh, shut up, Sink. You'd eat anything.
You complain too much.
Seriously.
It's disgusting. At least Culligan replaces its water every now and then. You never have to replace your water. Where do you get it from? That's it. I'm going in the dishwasher. Ew, ew, ew. So disgusting.
Hey, guys! I just got a great idea. For the last time, Toaster, nobody likes your crappy toast. Think about this. What if we mix toast with pizza? Ah? Right? Hey! You stay away from our children. Just think about it. Toast, pizza, right? Come on.
Last time we listened to one of your stupid ideas, you gave Jim a heart attack.
I miss Jim.
Okay, can you please shut them up? It's so annoying!
Hey, man! What are you doing?
What? I was hungry.
It's my kid, man! That's what you get! It's almost like he was born yesterday!
You cooked him like 30 seconds ago.
Yeah, this is kind of gross, actually. I'm gonna throw it away.
Please, no. Don't be so hard on yourself, Garbage. You're supposed to be ugly.
That's the worst part. I can't do anything about it.
You can close that door and cover up some of that stench.
Fridge!
What? I'm sorry it smells so bad, but she said it herself. She can't do anything about it.
That was totally uncalled for.
You're uncalled for.
Nice comeback.
Toaster, I'm really sorry about your kid, man.
Oh, that's cool. I got more.
Oh, did I have one?
No!
Okay, so you guys talk, right?
Wow, finally figured it out. Gotta say, I'm proud of you.
You shut up and let him speak.
Anyways, you guys can talk. Does that mean my cat can talk too?
Are you kidding? That cat is the stupidest living thing on the face of the planet. Of course it doesn't talk.
Meow.
Oh, shut up.
I'd have to agree with the fridge on that one. Besides, it's not an inanimate object, so it's physically unable to talk.
Okay, wait. I'm not an inanimate object. Yet I'm still talking.
Yeah, I thought that was kind of weird, actually.
It's kind of freaking me out, to be honest.
How are you all even talking? You don't even have lips!
You don't use lips to talk. That's just
Okay,
ridiculous.
That's it. I'm leaving.
Oh God, they smell terrible! Oh, you're so cold.
What?
Oh! Don't slam me, you jerk! Ow! Come on, man, you gotta do this, dude. Where are you going? You all just shut up! Okay. Just come on. Come on, just okay, come on. Please? Thank you. Stupid car. Oh, come on!